Guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to activate two WhatsApp accounts in one WhatsApp app. So let's get started. So if you are trying to add two WhatsApp accounts in one WhatsApp application, now to do that what you have to do is just simply open up your WhatsApp, and after opening up your WhatsApp, now just tap on the three dotted icon which is on the top right. After tapping on that, just simply tap on settings. After tapping on settings, you will find accounts option. Just simply tap on it, and from here you just have to tap on add account. And after tapping on add account, now you can just simply go ahead and add an account that you want. So just simply tap on add account which is on the bottom, and then tap on agree and continue. And after tapping on that, now you just have to enter the phone number of the account that you want to add. After entering it, just simply tap on next, and after tapping on next, now you just have to tap on yes. And after tapping on yes, you just have to enter the 6-digit code, and after entering it, now you have successfully logged into your account. And from here you can just simply go ahead and restore the data that you want. After doing that, now just simply go ahead and then change the name if you want, and then tap on next. And after tapping on next, just simply add a passkey, or you can just simply tap on skip. After doing that, now you have successfully added an account. Now what you can do is just simply open up your WhatsApp, and after opening up your WhatsApp, you will find that your account has been added. So here you can see guys, the account has been successfully added. Now if you'll just tap on the three dotted icon which is on the top right, and after tapping on that, now if you just tap on switch account, then you can switch between your two accounts. So this was the first account, and if you'll tap on switch accounts again, you will switch to the second account. So that's it guys, this is how to activate two WhatsApp accounts in one WhatsApp app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.